Dizziness, darkening of vision, increased heartbeat, nausea, and weakness are common symptoms experienced by people suffering from hypotension. In this video, we will discuss what hypotension is, testing for postural hypotension, and how to manage it effectively. Today, we're going to talk about the causes of low blood pressure. While some people aim to achieve low blood pressure for health reasons, there's a point where it becomes too low, causing dizziness and making you feel unwell. Let's discuss the different reasons behind this condition. 1. Postural hypotension. This condition occurs when you stand up too quickly, leading to dizziness that often requires you to sit down. Many people have experienced this, especially after activities like exercising in hot weather. If you're slightly dehydrated, haven't slept well, or consumed alcohol the night before, you're more likely to experience this. What's happening here is a malfunction in the autonomic nervous system, which fails to adapt to the positional change when you stand. This results in a temporary loss of oxygen, and in some cases, people may even faint. A severe version of this condition, called POTS, postural orthostatic tachycardia syndrome, is often linked to low vitamin B1 levels. I recommend increasing your B1 intake, as it can significantly improve this condition while also supporting heart health. Vitamin B1 is essential for the proper functioning of the heart. A deficiency can overwork the heart and may lead to cardiomegaly, enlarged heart. Adrenal fatigue can also contribute to postural hypotension and may be a factor in POTS. The adrenal glands, which manage stress, struggle to adapt even to mild stresses, such as standing up. 2. Dehydration. Dehydration and low salt levels are distinct but related conditions. Dehydration occurs when the body lacks adequate fluid. This can happen after excessive exercise in the heat, vomiting, diarrhea, or the use of diuretics. In such cases, drinking more fluids is crucial. Without enough fluids, low blood pressure can occur. 3. Low salt levels. Salt plays a vital role in fluid retention. Without enough sodium, your body cannot retain the necessary amount of fluid, leading to excessive urination and dehydration. This can also result from consuming too much potassium relative to sodium, starting a ketogenic diet without replenishing electrolytes, or sweating out significant amounts of sodium and potassium during exercise. 4. Addison's disease. This severe autoimmune condition affects the adrenal glands, leading to a massive sodium deficiency. The hormone aldosterone, produced by the adrenal glands, is necessary for retaining salt. Individuals with Addison's disease may need to consume salt regularly. This condition is often associated with anemia, which could result from low iron, B12, or other deficiencies. 5. Postprandial hypotension. This refers to a drop in blood pressure after eating. The autonomic nervous system, responsible for regulating blood flow, directs blood to the digestive system during meals. If this system is weak, the blood is shunted away from the brain, causing dizziness. This is a sign of a weak autonomic nervous system. For more information on managing this, I've included a helpful link below. 6. Anemia. Anemia, caused by deficiencies in iron, B12, or other nutrients, can also lead to low blood pressure. Here's a simple test to check for adrenal-related issues. 1. Measure your blood pressure while sitting. It should be around 120/80. 2. Measure your blood pressure again while standing. The top number should increase slightly to adapt to the stress of gravity. If it drops by 6 to 10 points, it may indicate adrenal weakness, as the adrenal glands are not effectively managing this stress. Further investigation may be necessary to identify the underlying cause. One of the most severe consequences of a rapid drop in blood pressure is shock, a state where vital organs do not receive sufficient blood supply. Symptoms of shock include cold, sweaty skin, increased breathing, a bluish skin tone, clouded consciousness, and a weak, rapid pulse. If you notice these signs in someone, it is critical to contact emergency services by calling 911 immediately. Here's 5 tips to quickly raise blood pressure. 1. Lay or sit down. If you feel lightheaded or dizzy due to low blood pressure, the first step is to immediately sit or lie down to prevent a fall or injury. Elevating your legs while lying down, such as by placing them on a rolled towel or any supportive object, helps redirect blood flow to vital organs, particularly the brain. This position counteracts the effects of gravity and stabilizes your circulation. 2. Drink water. Dehydration is a common cause of low blood pressure. Drinking at least 300 milliliters of water in small sips rehydrates the body and increases blood volume. By thinning the blood and replenishing lost fluids, water helps improve blood flow through the vessels, ensuring better oxygen delivery to tissues. 3. Get fresh air. When experiencing low blood pressure, getting fresh air and focusing on slow, deep breathing can help stabilize your heartbeat and calm your nervous system. Deep breathing not only aids oxygenation but also reduces stress, which can contribute to fluctuations in blood pressure. 4. Avoid coffee. While coffee might seem like a quick fix due to its stimulating properties, it can excessively increase your heart rate, potentially making you feel worse. A better alternative is to drink a cup of strong tea with sugar. Tea contains a milder form of caffeine, which gently raises blood pressure without overburdening your heart. The added sugar provides an immediate energy boost. 5. Eat something salty. Consuming something salty after drinking water helps your body retain fluid, which is crucial for maintaining blood pressure. Sodium plays a key role in fluid retention and stabilizing blood pressure levels. However, it's important to hydrate first, as salt without adequate water can lead to further dehydration and exacerbate symptoms. A simple salty snack, such as crackers or salted nuts, can provide relief in such situations. By following these 5 steps, you can manage a sudden drop in blood pressure and prevent complications. These measures are simple yet effective in offering immediate relief while supporting better circulation and hydration. Now 10 tips to maintain healthy blood pressure. 1. Avoid standing for long periods. Prevent blood from pooling in the legs by alternating between walking and sitting. 2. Train your calf muscles. Exercising your calves helps maintain blood vessel tone and supports proper blood flow. 3. Wear compression garments. Use compressive stockings or underwear to improve circulation and reduce blood pooling in the legs. 4. Monitor your blood pressure. Regularly check your blood pressure at home using a reliable tonometer and consult your doctor for guidance. 5. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water, especially if you consume caffeine, to prevent dehydration and thickening of the blood. 6. Avoid alcohol. Alcohol dilates blood vessels, which can exacerbate low blood pressure in hypotensive individuals. 7. Limit caffeine to 3 cups daily. Overconsumption of caffeine can lead to a racing heart rate and reduced effectiveness over time. 8. Do not skip breakfast. Eating smaller, frequent meals throughout the day is essential for those with hypotension. Skipping meals can worsen symptoms. 9. Balance sleep and exercise. Aim for 8 hours of sleep each night and engage in moderate exercise to promote overall health and stable blood pressure. 10. Avoid hot baths. Opt for showers instead of hot baths, which can lower blood pressure further. Keep a chair in the bathroom to sit down if you feel dizzy. If you found this information helpful and want to learn more about creating a healthy body, subscribe to the channel and enable notifications for daily updates. Thanks for watching.